class. My name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to learn together the module which is called Repair Walkthrough Metal Detector. And today's topic, we are going to see how to prepare a walkthrough metal detector for repairing. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to select and arrange different tools, materials, and equipment required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take some notes and do a practical exercise with me. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is a metal detector? A metal detector is an instrument that detects the presence of metal nearby, as you can see at your own screen. And also, you may ask yourself, what is a walkthrough metal detector? A walkthrough metal detector is a metal detector which detects metal that can be possessed by someone who passed through it, as you can see at your own screen. And also, the walkthrough metal detector are mostly used to different places, such as at school, at bank, bus terminal, airport, and so on. As we finish to know what is a walkthrough metal detector, now we are going to see how to prepare the workplace accordingly in order to repair a walkthrough metal detector. Firstly, as a professional technician, always when you went to repair any electronic device, you have to protect yourself against any hazard. That's why you have to select PPE, which are personal protective equipment made to protect you against any hazard while you are doing any kind of repairing, such as gloves, helmet, overall, safety shoes, and so on. While finished to select the PPE, now we are going to select different tools, materials, and equipment required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. Firstly, we are going to select the type of tools required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. As you can see at your own screen, screwdrivers, which are used for assembling and disassembling. This one also is called Allen key, is used for assembling and disassembling according to the shape of the screw. And this one is called a pliers, which is used for cutting. There is a soldering iron, there is a desoldering pump, there is a cleaning brush, and finally, there is a magnifying glass, which is used for zooming. And after that, we are going to see the type of equipment required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. As you can see, this one is called a digital multimeter. As you already know, is a measurement instrument. And also, you have to select, as I told you before, PPE, which are personal protective equipment. There is a screwdriver machine, there is air blower gun, which is used for cleaning purpose. Finally, there is a walkthrough metal detector. And after all, we are going to select the type of materials required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. As you can see, there is a soldering tin, there is a glue, insulator tape, and finally, there is electronic components such as resistor, capacitor, inductor, transistor, and so on. Those are the main tools, materials, and equipment required for walkthrough metal detector repairing. And after that, we are going to see the main component of a walkthrough metal detector. As you can see at your own screen, there is a two-panel A and B, as you can see at your own screen. There is a detection unit, which is used while detecting any metal pass through it. There is a control module, which is act like a brain of this walkthrough metal detector. There is AC jumper cord, which is used to supply AC current to this walkthrough metal detector. There is LCD display, and also there is accessories of a walkthrough metal detector, such as a battery backup module, a desktop remote control, adhesive floor mount, stabilizer bar, CMA interface module, and finally, operation test piece and flat test piece. And also, the main component of a walkthrough metal detector, there is a power supply. As you already know, it has 4 main parts, which is used to convert alternative current into direct current in order to be used by the internal component of this walkthrough metal detector. Those are the main parts of a walkthrough metal detector. As we finish to see the main part of a walkthrough metal detector, and we finish to see different tools, materials, and equipment required for walkthrough metal detector repair, and now we are going to arrange tools, materials, and equipment according to the types. And also, we arrange them according to manufacturer instruction. Thank you for your attention. In our next session, we will see how to rectify walkthrough metal detector faults. As we're running together, I hope you keep doing a practical exercise with me. See you next time. Enjoy.